so welcome back. We're going to get a little bit caught up in your notebook. For the first thing that I want you to put in your notebook, it's right after the page electrical and light, and a lot of you should have a light bulb with the wires down here. On the next page, we did some of these energy transformations. So I just want you to include some of these definitions. So chemical, above that, that's your battery. And somebody asked about that in their letter to me this week too. So the chemical, and then it goes to the electrical, and that electrical is the flow of electric charge. So you need to write above yours, make your page look just like mine. Mechanicals, that's that potential to kinetic. So I just added some explanations above some of our types of transformations. So if you need to pause the video, you can, so you can get your whole page looking just like that. Then we're going to go on to the next page. I have made a table. So the beginning part of this table, it just says some energy brainstorming. So you're taking those different forms of energy, and I made a table. I'm going to show you my whole table. I want you to draw the table, and then you can go ahead and put in the first thing on each one. And then you're going to pause the video and see if you can fill out at least 4 or 5 things in each of those categories on your own. You'll notice above heat, I put the word thermal. Thermal is kind of the fancy word for heat. So we will interchange those words. If you hear heat, it means thermal. Same thing, thermal, that means heat. Okay, so pause the video once you've got this table drawn, and then go back in, and you're going to fill in these examples of each of these types of energy or forms of energy. So go ahead, pause your video so you can get all that written in. Now you're going to turn to another page in your notebook, and you're going to write forms of energy review. Now you don't have all these picture cards, so I wrote the words underneath them. So underneath here, you need to say, what form of energy did these objects produce? And remember, they can produce more than one form of energy. So on the next page in your notebook, get these 8 things written down. And then when you are ready, you can click on the picture. We'll take a picture of the answer key. So you write what you think first, and then we'll take a picture of the answer key. I hope you're enjoying learning about the different forms of